This wallet has real-time location tracking and can play sounds to help you find it. It can also be used as a stand and has a secure finger loop to prevent you from dropping your phone. This Esvelo motion sensor light bar can be placed almost anywhere in your home and easily stick to magnetic surfaces. With a rechargeable battery and 3 adjustable color temperatures. This is a gripper that holds your cables so they don't fall behind your desk and can even be used in tons of other ways. Tired of dropping things behind your mattress? You'll love this clever product. Not only does it fill the gap and prevent things from falling, but it also holds your pillows up and stops them from sinking down. Plus, with a handy side pocket, you'll never misplace your TV remote or glasses again. This is a charger that doesn't need any power. You just crank this thing and you can charge your phone or anything else in case of an emergency. The screen disc that instantly expands into a hamper and makes collecting laundry much easier. It's a customizable couch organizer that holds your snacks, balances your drinks, and even wirelessly charges your phone. These ice cube trays may seem basic, but their slim design makes them super versatile. Unlike regular cubes, they fit into almost any bottle, keeping your drinks cool on the go. Say goodbye to plastic wrap. These stretchy food covers create an airtight seal for any dish, keeping your food fresher for longer. They're reusable, microwave, and freezer safe and come in various sizes. This thing that shaves the pilling fabric off your old clothing, making it look brand new yet again.